Okay. It's so cute.
Okay, that's what I
The way he moves. Dude, this is your son. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
That's your son.
This is Ritos. Oh, look at this little
Milk on his. He's got a milk beard going on.
kitty. Got a little double chin right there. Oh.
Whoa! I don't think he's hungry anymore.
Just having hiccups. He's just having hiccups. Oh my god.
Okay, I'm gonna give him a bath now.
Okay.